Alright guys, today we're going to be working on this 2006 Jetta TDI 1.9 liter. We've got the valve cover removed already. There's misfires, there's noise, and what we're going to do is check the cam and lifters out and see what they look like. But first we're going to clean this off a little better because it's nasty. So as you can see, the cam lobe is chewed out on pretty much all of these guys. Yeah. So the lifters are definitely chooched, gone right through the top of them. They're just clacking away. You know, diesels make some noise, but when you hear this noise, it's game over for the cam and lifters. But they do make a cam and lifter kit for these engines. Sometimes they're expensive, sometimes they're you know, fairly cost effective, but you can see the injectors there. We're going to be putting a black lifter kit in with a new cam, and hopefully everything will go smooth. Stay tuned, we'll start tearing her apart. So as you can see, the cam lobes are very worn. You can see the middle lobe there. Yeah, it's definitely been touching the lifters there. And you can see that one. So we're just gonna have to make sure that we clean this engine really well. You can definitely see they're all worn. So we'll just keep trucking along here, and we'll get the cam out of there and continue on. All right, we're back. Thought I'd show you guys what was going on here. You can see there's significant lifter damage here, as well as the cam bearings are just worn right out. This one is really bad. You can see that it's just worn right through, and the rest of them are pretty bad. So yeah, we'll just pop these bearings out, get the lifters out of there, and check out the valves, make sure they're all right. And if they're good, we'll just clean it up real good and start putting it back together. Just thought everyone would want to have a look at this and see what goes on when you wear out your lifters.